If you own a business, work for yourself, or have irregular income, this might completely change what you think is possible when it comes to buying a house. We work with a lot of self-employed clients, and one of the biggest misconceptions that we see is people assuming they don't qualify because their tax returns don't show a huge income on paper. But that does not automatically disqualify you from getting a mortgage. The process just looks a little different than it does for someone with a traditional W-2 job. In fact, there are loan programs specifically designed for self-employed buyers that a lot of people don't even realize exist. A lot of self-employed people are writing off business expenses, which is great for lowering your taxes. But sometimes it can also lower the income that lenders use to qualify you. That's why the first step is always talking to the right lender early. There are actually several different loan options for self-employed buyers. Some people qualify with traditional financing using tax returns, and others may qualify better using programs like bank statement loans, where lenders look more at your actual deposits and cash flow instead of just taxable income. A few things that can really help if you're self-employed and planning to buy are keeping your business and personal finances separate. Avoid large, unexplained deposits before applying. Try to keep income and deposits as consistent as possible. And talk to a lender before filing taxes or making any major financial changes. Preparation really is everything with self-employed buyers. And probably the most important part, work with professionals who understand self-employed income. We've seen situations where one lender says no and another lender is able to get the deal done, simply because they know how to structure the file correctly. So if you're self-employed and wondering whether buying a home is possible for you, don't automatically assume the answer is no. There are a lot more options available than most people realize, and would be happy to help point you in the right direction.